Dynamics is a 3D modeling and optimization package for Joint Aerial Layer Network, or JALN, mission planning. Think of a JALN as a wireless internet in the sky created by an aerial comms platform. The fundamental problem here is, where do you fly that platform? If we're talking about connecting two ground vehicles on either side of a mountain, the answer is simple: fly the plane back and forth over the top of that mountain. But what if there are a dozen ground users, or more than one mountain, and other flying aerial nodes? And some users are more important to the mission than others, and everything is moving. Where you fly the plane is critical to mission success, and the complexity of solving this problem explodes quickly into one which no human mission planner can solve well. They need help. They need Dynamics. Dynamics is software that makes JALNs, those wireless internets in the sky, work. Dynamics can run standalone, or it can integrate with JUMPS, the DoD standard for airborne mission planning that gets tailored to specific aircraft. The most advanced and successful JALN platform to date? It's Bacon, which is transitioning to a program of record and needs its own mission planner. Bacon proved itself in Afghanistan as a JUON, but the flight paths were really just educated guesses, and the network topologies were relatively simple. As Bacon transitions to a program of record, there's a unique opportunity to incorporate, from day one, the advanced path optimization that any JALN needs. We'll use this Phase 1 SBIR to define requirements to adapt Dynamics to Bacon. A Phase 2 effort would begin the software integration. This is Dynamics in operation. Dynamics uses a 3D model of the aerial relay platform providing that internet in the sky and all the users who will be served by it on the ground, sea, and air. The model incorporates the capabilities of the plane, the radios, user locations, terrain, and things like how the bank angle of the plane might shade antennas. Dynamics uses the model to simulate and evaluate hundreds or thousands of orbits and uses mathematical optimization techniques to find the best places to fly the plane to maximize coverage to the ground subscribers. This maximizes the effectiveness of the aerial platform and your investment in it. And it works. In this example, there are 10 ground subscribers, some in the mountains and some on flatter terrain or over the water. A simple solution is just to fly a circle over the geographic center of all the users, but you can see that's not ideal. In particular, the link between nodes C and I gets no coverage at all with this simple approach. Dynamics finds an orbit shifted subtly to the southwest and slightly larger and higher than the first one, which improves coverage values markedly, including a 92% coverage for that CI comm link that previously had none. But sometimes the changes aren't so subtle. This scenario allows for more variables in the flight path with 6 waypoints in the orbit. The optimized orbit is a complex but flyable one, and it again improves coverage for all users over an orbit that is just centered geographically over them. No human planner would have come up with this orbit on their own. It takes a system like Dynamics to do it. Why AT Corp? Well, we're tactical network experts and we understand commercial transition. The Machete Combat Cloud developed for Hanscom is headed to initial production. Our routing technology has been used in numerous JALN live flies, and it's licensed to commercial vendors too. We've been working with mission planning systems like JUMPS for over a decade, and we're just starting an effort that will overhaul the Navy's Theater Mission Planning Center. We use a number of different commercialization strategies, including Phase 3 contracts, direct licensing agreements like we've done with our routers, and we've even created entire spin-off companies. There are opportunities beyond Bacon, too. Coast Guard contractors flew similar comm missions in Puerto Rico after Hurricane Maria. They could use Dynamics. Facebook and Google have plans for drone-based aerial networks. They could use Dynamics. Our optimization approach can be adapted to solve different problems, too. Material logistics is just one. Our business development partner, C5BDI, they help us transition to these opportunities. Bottom line, JALN success is all about optimized flight paths. Transition of Bacon to a program of record means there's no better time to start integrating Dynamics into Bacon than now. AT Corp's record of technology development and commercial transition make us the right choice for this Air Force Pitch Day topic.